Beneath the hood of every vehicle beats a mechanical heart of incredible complexity and power. Before the roar of acceleration, before the tires hit the road, this intricate machine must be brought to life. This is the unseen assembly of a modern car engine. Every engine begins with its foundational strength. First, we install the crankshaft, the backbone that converts linear motion into rotational power. It's cradled on precision bearings, ensuring smooth, high-speed operation under immense stress. Next, we integrate the pistons and connecting rods. These are the engine's workhorses, meticulously fitted into each cylinder. Piston rings create a perfect seal, harnessing the explosive forces that will drive the vehicle forward. Now for the cylinder heads, the engine's brain and lungs. These complex assemblies, housing intake and exhaust valves, are precisely mounted. The timing chain connects them to the crankshaft, orchestrating the precise dance of the camshafts to control airflow. With the core sealed, we add the breathing apparatus. The intake manifold delivers air and fuel, precisely injected into each cylinder. The exhaust manifold efficiently channels spent gases away, often feeding a turbocharger to boost performance. The final details. The oil pan is sealed, containing the vital lubricants. Spark plugs are installed, ready for ignition. We connect the fuel and power, and with a precisely engineered spark, the engine roars to life. A testament to power, precision, and engineering. The assembly is complete. The heart of the machine is beating. We've built raw power. If you want to see more technology that powers our world, like and subscribe for more unseen assembly videos.